Have you ever noticed that some people walk into a room and instantly gain respect? It's not because they're louder or more powerful. Most people think respect comes from status, money, or popularity, but psychology shows something very different. The first secret is confidence. People naturally trust someone who appears comfortable with themselves. Confidence isn't about acting superior, it's about carrying yourself in a way that shows self-respect. Respect often starts with small actions. A simple greeting can make others feel acknowledged and valued. Highly respected people listen more than they speak. They make others feel heard. Most people listen to reply. Respected people listen to understand. When someone gives you your full attention, it sends a powerful message. You matter. Full attention has become rare. That's exactly why people appreciate it so much. Another reason people earn respect is reliability. They do what they say they will do. Reliability isn't built in a day, it's built every time you follow through on a commitment. Over time, keeping promises builds trust, and trust is one of the foundations of respect. Respected people stay calm under pressure. They don't let every emotion control their actions. Staying calm during difficult moments shows emotional strength that others immediately notice. Instead of reacting immediately, they pause and think. That self-control impresses others. Thoughtful people don't rush their words, they choose them carefully. Surprisingly, respected people aren't afraid to admit when they don't know something. Honesty shows confidence, and a willingness to learn often earns more respect than pretending to know everything. Lifelong learners are respected because they are constantly growing instead of pretending to be perfect. Respect also grows through kindness. Small, helpful actions leave a lasting impression. People remember how you make them feel. Genuine kindness is never forgotten. People trust those who help without expecting anything in return. Another powerful habit is accepting feedback without becoming defensive. When people see you learning and improving, they naturally admire your maturity. Real respect comes when people see improvement over time. Growth is proof that feedback is being used. Put all these habits together: confidence, listening, reliability, calmness, honesty, kindness, and growth, and respect starts to follow you. The truth is simple. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned through small actions repeated every day. If you practice these habits, people will notice, even before you say a word.